Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Digital. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to add members in Notion Workspace. And it's pretty simple. So in first step from your Notion you just need to go to the setting options, and from here go to this people options, or in here you can see the option members. Whatever you see, simply tap on this option. And on the right side you can see the option add members. Simply tap on this option, and here you just need to give the person email, and you can give multiple emails at once. And here uh, and here you can see the person rule, and you can also change. And once you are done, simply tap on the send invite option, and that's it. This person is add in your Notion workspace. Once you are done, you can give them, assign them tasks, or you can invite people by another way. You can see this invite members option, and in here you just need to do the same things, give the person email and send them the invite link. So there's a process how you can invite members in your workspace. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video found you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusions, and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.